So as you can see here, I've got one side all laced up, and now we need to put the spokes through the other side. Now before you do that, you need to know the pattern. Well, in this case it's a 3-cross, and what I want to end up with is something like this. Here's one I made earlier. You see the valve, it's coming through the rim so that underneath the valve the spokes don't cross. Now you can see how in a 3-cross pattern you've got 4 spokes, and then underneath there's a bit of a gap. If I come away a bit you'll see that, and there again there's a gap. So that's what you want. So how do you get that? Well, here's the rim, and the rim can be left or right-handed. There's the valve hole, and the hole just to the left of the valve hole, the rim hole, the spoke hole, is closer to me. If I turn it, then you can see some of them are off to one side. Every other one is off to one side. So the one that's closest to me is on the left. So that means it's a left-handed rim. Most rims are like that, but every now and again you'll get one that's right-handed. So for a left-handed rim, I'm going to take one spoke, and then you can see this one here is going off to the right. Okay, that one's going off to the right. So I'm going to thread this one through, and that's also going to have the spoke head out, and the one closest to me is further to the right than one I've just threaded through. And to check that, there we go. We threaded that through. So the one that's already in there and closest to me is a little bit further to the right, and this one pointing to the right is slightly to the left. And if you do that, then you'll end up with the valve in the right place. If you don't do that, you'll have to start again.